Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Mirna B. Campos. I'm 37 years old. I was born on April 23, 1987. I live in Bilad, Camiling, Tarlac, Philippines. I am married. I have two kids, ages 14 and 5 years old. My work experience is being a domestic helper here at Oman. I've already finished my 2 years contract. My duties and responsibilities is taking good care of three kids, ages 2, 7, and 9 years old. And also I do household chores like cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing, gardening, and sometimes also car wash. I've graduated college taking up psychology. The reason why I want to work in Hong Kong because I need to provide the expenses of my family, especially the studies of my children. All I can say is that I will do my very best to do my job as good as I can. Hopefully you will choose me, ma'am and sir. Thank you.